Let's learn Ilchos Teshuvah, Shir number 16. Darkei HaTeshuva, the ways of Teshuvah. The Rambam says Darkei HaTeshuva is the first thing to daven and tze'aka. It's like screaming. It's davening to HaKadosh Baruch Hu from deep in the heart. Even not always we have the right words. That's called the tefillah. That's called tze'aka. And tze'aka is always goes on. Vayitzaku b'nei Yisrael el Hashem. The Zohar HaKadosh in Parsha Shmois tells us the tze'aka goes up. And it comes to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and no mafrim, no one, no malach, no mekatreg can disturb the tze'aka to come to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. And so one thing is tze'aka. And besides tze'aka, the Rambam says another few things. He says, oiseh tzedakah kefik oichoi. To do tzedakah, the mitzvah of tzedakah is one of darkei HaTeshuva. Umisrachek harbe min hadavar shel chotaboy. To be very careful and to go far away from the situation that brought me last time to do the Avera. It means to continue in the same way, the same job, the same living, the same friends is very close to come back to the Avera. So to be far away from the Avera, one of the ways of Teshuvah, to live with Teshuvah, is misrachek min hadavar kefik oichoi, how much that he could to be far away from the Avera. There was things that he can't, but what he could and how much he could to be far away of the Avera. And meshane shmoi, to change his name. What means to change his name? The Rambam says, keloimar ani acher ve'eini oisoi o ish she'osa oisan amaisim. I'm different. I'm someone else. I'm not the same one. I'm not the same person that did that actions, that did that peulos, that maisim, that averes. I'm different. I changed myself. I'm now someone else. What was once was. Now I'm someone. I'm new. I'm someone else. And this new person, this new man, this new yid is different. He has no averes that was before. And meshane maisav, and he changes, acts kulon, all the maisim. Let toiva, the good way, or the derech the straight way, vegoyle mimekoimoy, and to do golus. Golus mechaperes ovoim b'pnei shegoyremes loy. The golus is a kapora and the averes, because golus brings you to be lehikona, to be liois onav, to be humble. In veshval ruach. It's interesting how to understand the darkei HaTeshuva, because the Rambam, like the Mefarshim explain, goes over that it's the mekarei gzar dinoi shel adam. It means I did the Aveira. Now because the Aveira I did, the world was created by HaKadosh Baruch Hu with midas hadin. It means if someone does Aveira, he needs to get a punishment. Now what should I do to get away from the punishment? I did Teshuvah, but now there is a punishment, the oynish that needs to come. To the oynish shouldn't come upon me. That there was the ways, the Gemara says, tze'aka, davening, could save us from the punishment. Tzedakah kefikoichoi, tzedakah tatzil mimaves. Tzedakah saves us even from death. Afilu mimaves, it saves it. That's why we do tzedakah, that we shouldn't get a punishment under averes that we did. And then also misrachik harbe min hadavar shechotaboy. It sounds more like not to come to the Aveira. Umeshane shmoi, umeshane mais of this whole thing is a galus mechaperes avoin, changing a place, everything. It's all to get a kapor of the Aveiras. The Ma'iry explains in Bחיבור Teshuvah that all these things is that the Teshuvah should last. And like we spoke last lesson, the previous shir, about Tzoyek Tomid Lifnei Hashem, the tefillah that I should keep going on with Teshuvah way and not gonna leave it. And the same thing also tzedakah. The Ma'iry explains that when you do tzedakah, you become better. When I'm doing chesed, I'm doing tzedakah, I'm changing my ways and bringing myself to be humble, to be honored and not a balgaive. That makes me keeping on going the way of Teshuvah. And also meshane shmoi, changing my name, changing how I'm called, how I'm named, how people look about me, and meshane maisav, changing my way, my actions, the things I did. And golus even could be changing my place, if that's gonna be the right way, not to come to Averas, and more than it, because all these changes bring us to a place that we don't feel so big and great. And to live in the ways of Teshuvah is to remember the whole time I'm in danger. I did once this Aveira. One time Avera is something was written by me and by my heart. I became adaptable to the Avera, and it's very easy to come back to the Avera again. And that's why if I did once this mistake, I once was a sinner, I was an over Avera. I need now to bring myself to a new place and to be very careful my whole life Teshuvah is not just 1 minute of teshuvah and that's it. It's a way of life that being very careful, knowing that I'm not perfect, I have this black small things in me that's dangerous, and to do everything not to come back to the place that I was, and Hashem Yisborach, with doing this ways, will gonna help us.